In a new place with a new job, what we're doing here is taking out this ceiling, taking out the end wall, and building this wall here 2 foot taller and making a vaulted ceiling. Guess what? This room too. Only thing is, we're gonna bring this floor level with that floor, level that floor out, and again, take this roof out, take out that wall, build a wall here 2 feet higher from that wall, that room's floor, and have vaulted ceiling again. Make this room look a bit bigger. Let's take a look outside and what we're up against. We're at the pinnacle of the job. The height of this job is we're going to change this roof line here where this roof will continue all the way to here. And we'll take that across, and then we'll go with that end of that roof will be up 2 feet higher, and we'll take it to here. And all that'll be vaulted ceiling. So here's the wall, which will support, that wall inside there will support this roof, and probably a lot of that roof. We're going to carry that all the way across. So we got to tear out all this area. It's quite a journey, but you can see why they would want to do it. The roof is not in good shape, and it's really low down there, so we're going to change all that. Let's go downstairs and take a look at the outside. So the goal is to get those 2 walls there 2 feet higher, and then a roof line that will be all vaulted ceiling for the inside. So it's got to get worse before it gets better. That means we're going to tear this thing apart like they do surgery. Except nastier than surgery. Hopefully they'll get you enough videos that you can see how it's possible to do it. See you later.